everyone and welcome back. It is Stella and today I'm going to show you what I found in the store the other day. It's a 3-step process from Essence for removing any dead cells from your lips, and I found this very exciting, so I thought I should share it with you on camera to see if there is any difference in the before and after shots for severely dried out lips. So let's see. And before I can start this procedure, I have to remove all the lip products that I have on me. So I have my makeup wipe here and alright. Okay. I will show you in a video just before I put on the lipstick what my lips look like. And now we are ready to begin. So the first step, step 1, is this little container right here, and it says peel it. It says peeling that renders the lips perfectly soft and smooth. So it smells very nice. It has a buttery smell. Oh, and it has very small grains in it. So let's just scrub it onto our lips. I think you have to do it with circular motions like you do with any scrub. So it feels really exfoliating and like it's doing something, and it's very sweet and tasty. I think it has sugar particles in there, so I'm almost sure that you can eat it, but I'll just wipe the rest of it away because we will move to the next step. Oh god, I have sugar all over my face. Okay, this feels already like smoother, and I can feel any dried out chunks of flesh on my lips. So yeah, let's go on to the second step. This one says patch it. Step 2, nourish and repair the lips with this cooling and moisturizing cream mask with sea butter. Yeah, usage. Apply mask on the lips and leave for 1 to 3 minutes, gently massaging any excess product, no need to rinse. So, let's see. I think you're not supposed to put all of it in, so it's probably for 1 or 2 more uses. But let me just see. I guess it depends on the size of your lips. This is awkward. Okay, yeah, you definitely don't need the whole thing. Let me just wipe the rest of it so that I don't look like a loony. And okay, we'll leave this for 3 minutes at least. So where's my phone? I'm gonna put the timer on. I'm gonna put it in 1 to 3 minutes and hit the start. And what can we do in 3 minutes? This is kind of numbing my lips, I can tell you that. I kind of feel like it's doing something. So yeah, let's give a word or two for the products, these products. So I think this cost me about $3 each, or maybe less than that. I can't remember because I have them for like awake here because I found the two first steps and the third one was out of stock, so I should have the whole package to show you guys. And I can't remember exactly how they cost, but I will link it down or show it somewhere in the screen. And what else? Yeah, you know what else we can do in 3 minutes? Probably less left. I think my lips have absorbed this. So yeah, I could actually tell you a couple of things for the new Essence mascara, the waterproof Lash Princess. And I got this with my smile up to my ears. I thought it was gonna be great. It kind of is, but it's not compared to the green Lash Princess. Let me show you. I have this Lash Princess Essence mascara. It's one of my favorites. It gives you such a volume and length, and it's so good. Let's just put some of it. And it instantly makes my eyelashes look bigger, fuller, and it doesn't quite divide them one by one, but it makes them full and it has a great result. Alright, so this is the Green Essence mascara. It's kind of like the false lashes, this one. And Essence announced that they have the waterproof version of it from in June, I guess, yeah. So I guess it's summer, I'm gonna be going to swimming pools and sea and stuff like that. And I was so excited to try this, but I will show you on camera the result. I have false lashes on, but you know, you will compare it. Okay. It's still good. It smells kind of chemically, but it's 3 minutes now. Great. So it smells kind of chemically, but you don't bother too much with it. It's not that intense, but it doesn't give you that full effect. For $3.50 or $4 that it retails, it's a great option. Give it a try if you like waterproof lashes, waterproof versions of mascaras, because it doesn't move around when you wash your face or stuff like that. Yeah, as you can see, it's quite good, but just in comparison with this one, and this one is almost out, so when it was the first time I used it, it was a way bigger effect. But anyway, you can see the difference. It's not that visible. I think I would go for this one if I run out of this one again. But other than that, if you want a waterproof version of it and it's summer now, you may need it, give the $4 and take this one. It's very good. Alright, so I'm done with the lip mask. Let's rub it around a bit. Okay. And now, it's kind of sticky. Anyway, so now we have the third step. It's this one. Probably like that. And it says, prime it. Apply the primer and provide the perfect protective and color boosting base for your lip color with sea butter. SPF 15. That's great. This is so good, so exciting. So yeah, as you can see, it looks like that. I haven't used this yet. And we're gonna use it as a base. So then, do I have an Essence lipstick? Yeah, I do. I'm gonna use a red lipstick to see if there is actually any difference in, you know, the before and after. So let's put this one on. It's too thin. Okay, I guess this will do it. It has kind of a slight tint to it, a whitish tint. So yeah, now I'm gonna use a red lip. So let's put the lip liner and the lipstick on. This is the Stay True 6-hour waterproof liner from Essence in number 6, and this one is the Red Velvet Cake It's not matte, this is not matte, but I will list how it's called right in the description box. So let's line the lips. Oh my goodness! You can see that the pigment immediately picks on the primer, so that's good. Right, so this is the lipstick. It's used, guys. Okay, this takes some correction. I can see that the color went on perfectly and that I don't have any chunks of lips hanging on my lower lip where I usually have the dryness and all the cracking. So let's just fix the shape a little bit and I'll be back. Okay, so this is the final result after putting on the red lipstick and after doing the 3-step process. So I find it very, very interesting and I think that it works. It works very well. And my lips were all dried out and now they're perfectly moisturized and exfoliated. So I put on the red lipstick and it looks amazing. So give this a try, of course, if you want. It's this 3 steps, and I think that they also have a lip balm after those, but it's not a step 4. It's just instead of lipstick, if you want to stay at home and just prepare your lips for the night out, you just put on the lip balm and you're good to go for moisturizing your lips for more hours. So yeah, that's the 3 steps and I am very pleased with this one. Essence is always giving me the greatest results for the lowest price and we all like it. So this was it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will be very happy to have you all here and we can hang out and see beauty tips and style tips and all this crazy good stuff. So until the next one, stay safe and I love you. Bye.